Hello everyone, my name is Mustafa. I'm an associate professor at Ufa University of Science and Technology, Institute of Law, and also legal counsel. Welcome to my channel, Mustafa Contract Law Hub, where I'm planning to tell you about everything you need to know concerning contract law. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone interested in understanding contracts better, you've come to the right place. So let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of contract law together. Today, I'm going to talk about this important question. How long does an offer last? In fact, we need to know every offer in what kind of circumstances is valid or not valid. For answering this question, I got 9 circumstances that you can see here. Because after happening these circumstances, we don't have any more valid offer. What are these circumstances? 1, a specified time, and also reasonable length of time, failure of precondition, rejection, counteroffer, request for information, and also death of offeree, death of offerer, and also withdrawal of offer. These 9 circumstances are so important and impactful on validity of offer. First, a specified time. So it's based on this word, it's so easy to get. If I tell you I will sell you my car, and you have only time to think about this offer till tomorrow, or just for this week, it's specified time. In fact, after this week, you don't have time, and this offer is considered terminated. And there is no offer anymore because the specified time up and you don't have offer anymore, valid offer, I mean. So, the next one, reasonable length of time. Maybe you have this question in your mind that how much time can be considered as reasonable length here? It's case by case. Just I can say you must analyze the situation and every case, because the means of communication is important here, and also subject matter is important here, and the other circumstances. For example, perishable goods, maybe so soon you must make decision about the offer, or the stock markets as well, maybe for some seconds, or some other situations you must see what is the subject matter and what are the circumstances around it to analyze about the reasonable lengths here. Failure of a precondition. In fact, sometimes, for example, I'm an offerer and I want to sell you my car. And here, I tell you, I sell you my car if I can buy new house. Okay, if I couldn't to buy new house, so I say there is no any offer for my car because it was based or subject to this previous condition or precondition here. Without convincing this condition, so there is no offer and you don't have any offer, valid offer anymore. Rejection. It's easy because if I make an offer and you don't like this offer and you don't want it, okay, you can reject it. It's rejection. Easy to understand. counter offer. Sometimes I'm giving you an offer and you tell me, okay, it's good offer, but I don't want to accept it. I have another proposals, or I have another offer. When you make another offer, it means you rejected the previous offer. It means this is another offer that terminated the original offer. Request for information. Again, I must emphasize here that when offeree wants to know about information more and more, or want to make clarification and need to situation be clarified, here must be analyzed the situation, because maybe by new information we don't have any more valid offer. Maybe it could be revoked by offer, or maybe it will be rejected by the offeree. So it's case by case. So about these circumstances, I can't say exactly this impactful here to make offer invalid. No, it's case by case again. Death of offer, the next one. In general, when offer dies, so there is no offer anymore, because the person who made offer is not anymore. So there is no right for offeree to make an acceptance. It's general, but we must see what are the exceptions. For example, in option contracts or contracts that benefit third parties, we see some special situations that we need to analyze. Because in option contracts, we see the offerer make an offer open for special time. So for this special time, still there is some right for offeree to make an acceptance. We can't say easily that offer is not valid. And also about the contracts that benefits the third parties. It means there is some rights, benefits, interest for third parties. So by death of the offerer, we can easily say that offer is not valid, because still there are some rights for third parties. And here another is death of offeree. In fact, again, we have general rule that if it happens, if the death of offeree happened, so still the offer is valid. But maybe in some special circumstances. For example, here you can see about the contracts of benefit for benefit of the third parties. So if we have some rights for third parties, again we must analyze the situation, and still offer is valid. And also option contracts where the offeree paid the consideration, and we can easily say that this offer is not valid, because this kind of contracts is based on a special time and is open for offer, or also the offeree paid consideration, and by this situation, under these circumstances, we still can say this offer is valid. And also revocation is easy to understand, because if the offer revoke, so there is no place for acceptance. Withdrawal of offer. In fact, the withdrawal of offer, known as revocation. It means I'm an offer So I want to change my offer, or I want to make a new offer, so I revoke my offer here. Some principles of this withdrawal of offer we can see its timing and communication of revocation. Timing, it means from the time you made your offer as an offer, before the time of acceptance, between these two points of time, you can at any point, at any moment, revoke your offer as an offer. So if you get acceptance, after that we have new contract. So it's not possible to revoke your offer, because here we have valid contract. And when we have valid contract, it means right now there is some right for the offeree, and we can't revoke it. It's timing. And also communication of revocation. In fact, this revocation must be effectively communicated. It means the offeree must know about it, because otherwise the still offer is valid, and if acceptance happened, so we have new valid contract, and the offerer can say easily, I want to change my mind about this offer and I must add something. No, it's not possible, because we have new valid contract right now. So again, I want to look at these 9 circumstances that I told you about the contract, about the offer. If we have proper offer, so plus acceptance, at the end we have contract. It's the way. But under these 9 circumstances, we see we don't have valid offer. As I told you, specified time, reasonable length of time, and also failure of precondition, rejection, counter offer, death of offeree, death of offer, and also request for information and withdrawal of the offer. These circumstances are so important and are impactful here to know about the validity of offer. Thank you so much for joining me today, and still I have so beautiful words for you. Please stay here and see you soon. Bye.